Today, we will continue our trading journey by using our best scalping strategy with our best TradingView indicator. As you know, markets are not easy to trade nowadays. Selecting right assets are quite important as well as trading rallies or crashes. If you are ready, let's do this. Yesterday, the Saturday, was another weekday of the week. All the prices were deeply pulling back, seeking extra fuel for the possible next rallies. Totals, major coins were mostly red, and the USDT dominance was fairly green on Saturday. And we had this DGen coin, it was one of the top loser coin of the Saturday. First of all, check this weekly chart. Insane rejection candlestick. After a massive rally, price taps as imbalance and it is being highly rejected. Now, if we look at the daily chart, it is really interesting. It looks like sellers are filling this imbalance area, and buyers cannot react at the moment. Look at these daily candlesticks, big red candles, very strong fall. And for now, it looks like buyers cannot respond to sellers. All these concepts brings us to the momentum layout. Basically, our beloved indicator called ICT High Time Frames Candle Indicator. By using this very simple indicator, I can analyze multi-time frames at once and find possible trade locations. For example, right at this location, you can notice the multi-level imbalances. A good area for a possible short trade, why not? But we need further analysis. It is not enough. Low time frame analysis to know better what is going on in the low time frames. We drop to the 3-minute chart now. This is the location of multi-level imbalance taps. And there is this great SR flip location if you noticed. However, as you can see, price never hits directly to that SR flip. It's just very close. What else do we have here? A nice inner swing failure pattern, followed by an inner structure break. A possible short trade idea. If you use your Fibonacci tool, you can see that price deeply pulls back into this OTE, the optimal trade entry zone with the inner imbalance. This could have been a great short trade chance. This is a solid price action here. Not everything is perfect, but a chance to try 2R setup. Why not? But what if you cannot do this kind of analysis, this kind of specific analysis, a deep analysis while looking for the perfect entry locations? Then your only option left is using cost average systems, like the one called YOYO costing average from the MASTERCLASS. If I look at the larger perspective, I can easily say that this price may pull deeper. It is quite a possibility because we do not know the future. In this chart, I would probably have 3 locations for partial entries and build a cost average. First would be my first classic entry location after the SFP and MSP. This could have been my first entry. My second location would be probably this SR flip area. Setting a limit order here. You know, I love SR Phillips so much. And probably my third location would be this deep inner liquidity with imbalance zone. I would try to build an average position just like this one. And then grab yourself some profit and move away from the markets as quick as possible. Because I'm not keen to take short trades. We are in a bull season in general. Okay folks, have a great and lovely day. Please stay safe and see you soon. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you